Hey y'all, so I have some exciting news. My mom is starting her lock journey too. She's doing it the same way that she did mine, 2-strand twist. So I was wondering if you guys would like to see her journey along with mine on this channel, because her hair texture is different than mine. I thought that it might be nice for you to have some options. You can see how my hair is doing and also how her hair is doing. So let me know down below. Comment if you would like to see her hair journey as well as mine on my channel. Yeah, that's about it. Also, I'm going to be posting my updated 1-month hair journey video in about a week or so from now. So comment below some questions that you might have for me, like regarding my hair. I'm going to try to give you as much information as possible, but let me know exactly what you want to know so that I can answer your questions. So comment below if you would like to see my mother's hair journey. That sounds weird. If you would like to see my mama's hair journey. And also don't forget to comment some questions that you may have for me regarding my 1-month hair journey. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.